Welcome to new lesson today. This tutorial will teach you how to calculate age using a date of birth in Excel. In this video, I'll show you how we can calculate age using a date of birth in a very easiest way. You will be able to find out very easily the year, and we'll be using dated if function to find out the year. Alright, and before to perform the task, always make sure this date format should be in date only. Let me show you. First need to how we will select and how we will check this. First need to select this, then right click. We'll go to format cells. Click on format cells. Just need to make sure that this date for cell should be in date. Alright, you can see I have already selected this. It should be like in a date format, so I have selected already in a date format. Just need to OK. In the same way, we will be selecting for age. These cells should be in a number format. Just select the range of the cell, then just say in the same way go to format cells. Here you will select number. It should be in a number format. Alright, just need to make sure this. Okay, now we will see how we can apply this formula. So let me show you how we can apply this formula. Firstly, you need to, as you know very well, that we'll be using equal to sign. Then I suggested you the formula dated if, then bracket open, and you'll have to select first this date where we have a data. This is the born date. I have selected the date of born, date of birth. Now what I will do, put comma, then I need to calculate from the date of born till today, total year. So for this I need to apply this formula today. So after comma you will be using today, so that it will calculate from today only, exact. So I am using this formula today. You know very well about today function. So today and then bracket close. So what this will do, this will calculate from today, from 27/5/1985 till today. So I have used this function, and what I need after comma, I need it in year. I want to know the year, total, I mean exact age till today. So to get to know the year, I will be using in quotation mark y. Just simply write y in quotation mark, then bracket close. This is our formula. Always make sure you close the bracket in the end. Now let's see what result we get. So you can see I have got the result. This is 36 years. So this is the year from if a person is born on 27/5/1985 till today. It is he is 36 years old. That guy must be 36 years old. So now what do we need to do to get the result? Just simply click over this. Just when you can see this sign, just double click. So now you can see we have got the details: 1 year, 31 year and 38 years. So this is how we can calculate age. Let me show you some more tricky things to get to know about by using the same formula. I'll be telling you how we can calculate the month. Like if you are asked that it is a year, that what about a month, how many month, just for to get the result in month, you just simply need to do, just delete this y, just hover your mouse over here in the formula. You can see your formula in this formula bar. just simply click over here and just delete this y, and instead of y just make sure you write m. M stands for month, and just enter. Now you can see I have got the result in month. So what about the rest? For rest I just need to double click. So I have got the result for the rest of the people as well. In the same way, if you want to know the days, how many days, then just simply delete the m and write d, and let's see. So this is the age now. I mean, this is the result. We have got the days. So this is how we can calculate year, month and days from the time from the date of birth. This is how we can perform this formula. I shown you how we can calculate age. How you can find out the year, how many year from the time of birth. In the same way, I shown you how we can get to know about days. Just simply need to change y. Instead of y you need to write d, so it will give you the days. In the same way you can change it to m, so it will provide you the month. So this is how we can calculate. This is very simple and very important also, because in interviews such questions are being asked, and you have to be very efficient about calculation. You will not have so much of time, but if you are aware of this formula, then you can easily crack this. You just need to apply a formula for a single person, and it will give the result for the rest of the as well, for rest of the data as well. And if you find this video helpful, if you think you learned something, do like this video and share with your friends. Show that your friends can also get benefit with this video, and I'll be happy to share my next video with you. So do subscribe this channel so that you can get notification for my new videos. I always try to make it simple and easy for you to understand. And if you have any feedback or anything you want to share with me, or you want to say I need to add this one in my videos, if you find something I need to improve with the details, then you can share your views as well in comment section. I will definitely try to cover that in my next video. So this is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, giving time for this video. Have a good day and keep learning.